Jaya Luna, Siargao Island, ma'am sir. Welcome, okay? Ma'am sir, our first destination going to Guyam Island. From here to Guyam Island, we have about 10 minutes to 15 minutes boat ride, and then we stay longer in Guyam for 1 hour. And then we have a snack bar in Guyam, ma'am sir. We have also fries, burger, cocktails, beer, so
okay.
And then after that, ma'am sir, we proceed side trip, Sikit Island. If you visit Sikit Island during low tide, because the water by Sikit Island from knees, hips, shoulder, and also above the head. And then, ma'am sir, after that, the Sikit Island, we proceed Naked Island. From snorkeling to Naked, we have 25 minutes to 30 minutes boat ride, and then it's longer in Naked Island for 1 hour. And then, ma'am sir, if you do Naked, it's up to you.
No problem, no problem.
Sir, after that, our lunch time is going to Daku Island.
Okay.
Okay, we stay longer here in Daku Island because we eat lunch. We have iconic wooden culture.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am sir.
Yan ang pinakahihintay namin.
If you have any suggestion, ma'am sir, if you have a picture,
ang pinaka-importante is udan. Ang lapang ba? Lapang. Hindi naman delikado.
Ma'am, if you want to take picture or video, human drone, manual human drone, just then,
Okay.
group picture.
Sure. Cow. I love eating.
No.
Just group also.
Okay.
Lincoln. Can you take her?
Ah.
And give her to Lola? Ayan, may starfish kami nakita. Kahit mga wine, ano na.
Asa mga starfish? Ay nakita na ho. Mga
Ich gehe mal auf die andere Seite, da kannst du ein Foto machen, ja? Okay.
the secret jungle.
on.
Naabot sila sa pareha dito sa Secret Beach. Sana all. Wow!
One, two, three, go!
We love Siargao!
Kaway-kaway!
Hello! Ayan, grabing init guys. Tingnan niyo naman yung mistisa dito. Nangitim na. Namula lang siya. Ako ay naging negra na. Negra lang!
Oh my God! Oh my goodness!
Where's your mommy?
Mommy is here!
Yeah, it's her
Wow,
mother.
you're so
Yeah,
pretty.
yeah, oh!
You're so pretty!
Yeah, of course!
Beautiful. Thank you, Mama.
Hi kids! So, ayan, nandito ang aking mga junakis.
Ja? Was hast du gesagt? Nichts. Ist auch besser.
Yeah.
Ich dachte, er wäre ein netter, aber als ihr die Karte gestellt habt, nicht.
Ja, das ist nicht so. Was macht Aydin da?
Keine Ahnung. Wir machen einfach mal cool.
Ah, okay, super. Okay, enjoy. Oh my God, so nice. Oh my God, Sheila. Ang ganda. You like here?
Ja.
So, nag-antay kami sa aming lunch. Nag-prepare pa sila ng lunch doon sa sa cottage namin. So, habang sila nag-prepare ay nandito kami nagbabad sa dagat. At yung mga anak ko ay grabe, tingnan nyo naman. Grabe, nag-enjoy sila. Bahala mangitim, basta mag-enjoy. Bihira lang to guys dahil sa winter, ang haba ng winter. Di ba nang mangitim sila sa summer. At least nag-enjoy. Okay, so ako muna magbabay dahil ako ihi na. Okay, dito lang ako sa dagat ihi. Oh, okay. Inahiya ko. Bye mo na.
So the answer is not gonna get separated.
Okay, nakikibahay kami dito. Hi, Cassiline. Tukok mo siya si Vibarin Helit si Siena. Resin hier im Residence Siargao Residence. Guck mal, das ist unsere Raum da vorne. Und hier ist Cassie, Samara kommt nur. Und hier ist Frau Inalait. Guck mal, sie hat einen rote Banga. Okay. So, nasaan pa yung isa? So, it's dinner time. Ang gagaling ng aming mga chef ko. Ayan ang sapsoy. Kinilaw. Coke. Sinubang pusit. Mashed potato kasi may nag-diet. At syempre, ang crispy lechon kawali. At di mawala ang pampahaba ng buhay. Pancit. Syempre, number 1 itong rice. Rice is life. Okay, good appetit. Tingnan niyo naman ang aming view dito. Diba? May full infinity kami dito. Ang ganda. Okay, kainan na. Let's eat.